Did you know a genius serial killer helped the FBI learn how to catch other serial killers? Edmund Kemper stood 6 feet 9 inches tall and weighed 300 pounds. Everyone thought he was a gentle giant, but he was secretly the co-ed killer who murdered 10 people in 1970s California. Kemper had an IQ of 145. He used his brilliant mind to study police methods and FBI tricks. This helped him stay one step ahead of investigators. He would pick up female college students who were hitchhiking near UC Santa Cruz. He seemed friendly and safe because of his size and calm voice. But then he would strangle them and take their bodies home. The end came on Easter weekend 1973. Kemper killed his own mother with a hammer, then cut off her head and used it as a dartboard. He also murdered her best friend. Instead of running away, he drove to Colorado and called police from a payphone. He calmly confessed to everything. His detailed interviews later helped FBI agents understand how serial killers think and operate.